The popliteal vein is a component of the deep venous system of the lower limb. It forms from the peroneal, anterior tibial, and posterior tibial veins, and ascends through the popliteal fossa to the adductor hiatus, alongside the popliteal artery, where it becomes the femoral vein. It is predominantly located within the popliteal fossa. The popliteal vein originates at the level of the popliteus muscle, where it is formed by the peroneal, anterior tibial, and posterior tibial veins. Other tributaries include small saphenous vein in the lower aspect of the popliteal fossa. This vein lies on a layer of fascia, making it a superficial vein. Other tributaries of the popliteal vein correspond to the branches of the popliteal artery, such as the muscular branches and the genicular branches that are labelled here. As for the relations of the vein with other structures in the popliteal fossa, its relationship to the popliteal artery changes as the vein ascends, but it is always between the popliteal artery and tibial nerve. At the lower part of the popliteal fossa, the popliteal vein is anterior to the popliteal artery. As it ascends, it lies lateral to the popliteal artery, and posterior medial to the tibial nerve in the upper part of the fossa. A condition known as the deep vein thrombosis, or DVT, is associated with popliteal vein, in which a clot forms within the vein, hindering the normal flow of the blood. Most of the lower extremity DVT develop in the veins of the calf, namely the peroneal veins, posterior tibial veins, and the veins of the gastrocnemius and soleus muscles. In the lower limbs, patients often present with unilateral leg pain, swelling, and erythema. On physical examination, the affected leg is often tender and warm, and there may be dilation of superficial veins. Additionally, during physical examination of suspected patients, a test called the dorsiflexion sign test, or the Hohmann's sign test, is performed, in which the patient is asked to extend the knee and the clinician forcefully dorsiflexes the foot and uses the other hand to squeeze the calf area. Deep calf pain and tenderness may indicate presence of DVT. This shows the positive Hohmann's sign. In the next video, we will talk about the nerves of the popliteal region.
Watch our medical videos anytime and anywhere. Download sqadia.com app now.